So guys, once again, this is a continuation of linear equations or simple equations, okay, from my last video, which you will find in the playlist called linear equations, right? So the level of the difficulty is increasing by and by. Now that we are on the 12th sum, you will know that this is a little different from the previous sum, okay, of my last video, correct? So now you understand that the first thing in this should be to find out the LCM of the two terms over here, isn't it? So if you do not understand well enough now, for those who haven't gone to my previous videos, they can revisit or visit there and try and consolidate your understanding. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and crack this also. So the first probable step would be to take the LCM of 7 and 4, which comes to be equal to 28. Alright guys. So if you will have watched in my previous video, I had asked you to systematically go so that you don't make mistakes. So I had asked you to blindly go and settle the terms like this and put the middle sign here, okay. After this, now you can start pondering that in 7's table, when does 28 comes? It comes 4 times. And when does 4 comes in the table? 28 comes in the table of 4. It comes 4 7s are. Alright. This side we do not have much to do, so we simply copy. So alright, so far understood? Now once again we have come to a situation where we need to multiply, and open up the bracket. So 4 into 3 is 12i, 4 into 2 is minus 8. Here minus 7, remember, do not forget this minus. Minus 7 multiplied by plus 5i is equal to minus 35i. Alright guys, clear? And minus plus, so minus plus is over here 7 8s are obviously 56. We can't do away with 28 already. This will take some time. Why some time? Because we need to make this smaller. We have two like terms, 12i and 35i, and also like terms here, the numbers minus 8 and plus 56. So to solve this, we have a plus 48, alright, and to solve this, we have a minus 23y, correct? So why minus 23y guys? Because we take the sign of the bigger number and minus plus is minus, so 35 minus 12 is 23y. Alright guys. Now here we have 1 upon 14, and this 28 should go there to multiply. Alright. So having done that, we know that 14 ones are 14 twos are. We have this, which means we have a minus 23y equals to 2, and this will go there as minus 48. Correct guys? As a result, plus minus minus, so we get a minus 46 this side and minus 23y here. Y should be isolated, so minus 23 should go down. So therefore, y equals to minus 43 divided by minus 23, and this gets cancelled, minus minus plus, and this will go 2 times. So which is the answer? So therefore, y equals to 2. Correct? So this wasn't difficult. Alright guys. So if you have still any queries, you can always ask me guys. So you're always welcome. Okay. Now we'll go to the 13th question. Alright. So this is our 13th question, 2 by 3. And remember, this is the difference between what all we have done earlier. So long, a number was sticking, not a fraction. Alright. But don't you worry, this is also very easy to crack. We need to multiply 2/3 multiplied by 3, which you have done in lower classes. Okay. So 2 into 3 is how much? 6. Okay. So we write, okay, 6x upon 3. When you multiply this with this, and when you multiply this with this, we get a 4, okay, over 3. Alright guys, this side 4 multiplied by 2x is equal to 8, x and 5. And 4 multiplied by 3 is minus 12 and 5. Alright, and this one is simply drop down. Correct? Now this seems quite easy because what we have on the left hand side, we also have on the right hand side. Okay, so you can always cut it and make the sum light weighted. Alright, so it is always easier to go with less burden. So this side we have, okay, 6x, okay, over 3, isn't it? Now we have a simple 6x over 3, which we can reduce it, but let's bring this here. Okay, 8x over 5 and equals to minus 12 by 5 was already there. Okay, so we have this. So what next? If we have to, okay, simplify this, we get 2x minus 8x over 5. Alright guys, and this side 12 over 5. Now what? Having no denominator, we assume that there is a 1. So we try to find out the LCM of these two. So it's 5. Now 2x and 8x. Bracket, bracket, sign, minus. Okay. This will go how many times? Obviously 5 times, because 1 5s are 5. This will go once, and here we have a minus 12 by 5. Correct? This will be equal to what? 10x minus 8x equals to minus 12 by 5 over 5. Alright guys? So here we have 2x equals to minus 12 multiplied by 5. Okay, because this 5 goes to multiply as it is dividing here. 5 gets cancelled. Therefore, x equals to minus 12 over 2. This gets cancelled. I am left with minus 6 is my answer. Okay guys, so this was as simple as this. So the travel from the first page to this third page or the fourth page hasn't been difficult, right? So I'll bring some more videos, okay, of far more complex. This is up to the standard of 8th also. So I'll get some more, okay, which will have a denominator having algebraic expression like this. Okay, so that will be fun to crack. Okay, so they aren't very difficult as you may have assumed. Okay guys, so that was all for today, and very soon I'm getting some more complex ones. Okay, it will be uploaded in the same playlist. Okay, so bye bye, have a great day, and thank you so much for giving me so much of time. Bye. And if you've liked the channel, do subscribe so that you get the notifications, okay, as soon as I will have uploaded anything new. And if there is any concept, okay, other than this that you do not understand, do write to me in the comment section. I'll appreciate and would like to bring more videos on them. Okay guys, bye bye, thank you.